how to change the emergency SOS call countdown time on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on safety and emergency. In here, tap on emergency SOS. Next, we go down and tap on countdown. From the list, tap on 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, or you can set a custom time. So here I can set it to say 30 seconds, or you can set a minimum of 5 seconds. So 5 seconds is the minimum, or 7 seconds, and then tap on set. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key, then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And here you can see the countdown time will be set to 7 seconds before it will start to make the call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.